what's good? Welcome back to the Clutch Your Closet channel. I am Marquis in Paris, and if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. And if you're an oldie but a goodie, hey, you're staying clutch by keeping up with me. I appreciate you guys. I appreciate all my new subscribers, by the way. Thank you guys for your support, even on my short little videos. I appreciate you. If you have not watched my last video yet, please do. It's how I clean my sneakers. But I want to pop in really quickly and tell you guys I lost the footage from cleaning my brushes with the little brush cleaning machine. So to make up for the lost footage, that's why it's only a short clip. So to make up for the lost footage, I'm going to actually show you the device. So I got this device on Amazon. It's probably not the best one on Amazon, but nevertheless, I still love it. It actually comes with the brush tool, which you saw in the clip. So this is what it looks like. And it comes with all these different little compartments that you can, not compartments, it comes with all these little different pieces, rubber pieces that you attach to the actual device. And so it has like a square here, as you can see, and then a square here, and you just attach it. And it comes with these because it fits all the different brush sizes. So that's the reason why. So like, for instance, you may have like the one that I have. It's a Juvia's Place brush, and it's pretty large, but it thins out at the end. As you can see, it gets skinny on the tip. So I put this one on there at the end, and then it just attaches to the device. I'm not gonna cut it on because that's crazy, you guys seen it, but it spins. You dip it in the bowl, you go up and down motion, and then when you're ready for it to dry, you just lift it and it spins and it fans out the brush and it dries. So you guys can watch all other YouTube videos about little machines like this. I think it's pretty clever, but that's what I do when I'm lazy in order to clean my brushes, because sometimes you don't want to go in the sink and scrub and do all that. So why not let a device do it for you? So that's pretty much it. I'll try to link the one that I have below. Well, no, I won't link this one because it's not the best quality. It does the job, but I'll try to link a similar one below that's of better quality and that actually has better reviews. But I love it. I mean, it's cute, it's functional, it works, and I haven't had any problems with it so far. So if you're interested, like I said, click the link below and you can clean your brushes that way. Also, the little scrub pad that that you saw in the video, I got it from Marshalls or TJ Maxx, one of those stores. It's very convenient. It has the little suction at the end and it sticks to your sink. Do I have it on hand? I don't think I have it on hand to show you right now. I think it's like in a drawer or something. But yeah, it has like 4 suction cups, and you just stick it to your sink and you suction. And it works with the big brushes too. So it has, like, you know, you saw the different areas. For smaller brushes, you can use a smaller area, and then for larger brushes, you use like the larger area on the pad. So it's very convenient. I love that they've come out with these devices to clean your brushes. It makes everything so much better. Okay, let's talk about why we should be cleaning our makeup brushes. Number one is because they're dirty. You use them on your face, it gets bacteria. Wherever you leave them sitting out, like, it gets bacteria on it, and you're constantly using that same brush on your face. You have to keep it clean. How often should you clean your brushes? I actually do it once a week. I don't know the proper answer for that because I'm not a makeup artist, but I do it once a week because I don't do makeup that often, and I don't do makeup every day. But if you're doing makeup every single day, you probably need to clean your brushes twice a week and, you know, up the ante. So yes, and the 2 products that I use in the video are the Bare Minerals Conditioning Shampoo Brush Cleaner, and also the Dr. Bronner's liquid soap. You can use any one, I think mine is the citrus one, but that's pretty much it for this video. It was short, quick, and simple and to the point. You guys like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell just so you know when my next upload is. And until next time, everybody, stay clutch. Bye.